Expect a lot of RPM, a lot of black smoke, a lot of tire speed, and most of all, a long... That's a pretty good pull, and I just kind of doubt if you'll turn it down so back. There's only 6 tractors in the class, and that time if these things cool down. There's no water in the boat. 2 times 2. Okay, see, Dave's got on the right side. See that tractor actually looks like the right tire was really digging in. That tractor actually comes down a bit on the right side. Of course, he loses. Good enough for a heck of a run for Alex there. You see down in the starting line, looks like you got just a little bit squirrely, and that actually hurts the distance. You may not think so, but the distance 306.282. You want to take home number 1. Okay, you can see Jason knew that he wasn't going to take over the lead. So other than spinning them tires and working that tractor to the bitter end, he just shut her down. I don't know what that was all about down the end down there, but I think I'm hoping she pulled her down just enough.